Welcome to the lush landscapes of Ivory Coast, a nation in West Africa that stands proud as the world's largest producer of cashews. With nearly 1 million tons projected in 2024, this thriving industry powers the livelihoods of over 600,000 households and generates billions of dollars in annual revenue. Cashews are more than just a crop here. They're the backbone of an agricultural legacy, cementing Ivory Coast's place as a global leader in cashew production. Let's take a closer look at the incredible journey of these nuts from the fields to your table. The process begins with the soil, a critical foundation. Cashew trees flourish in sandy loam soils, rich in nutrients and well-drained to prevent waterlogging. When the saplings grow to about 16 to 24 inches tall, it's time for transplantation. The rainy season provides the perfect conditions for roots to take hold, setting the stage for these trees to thrive. Spaced strategically at 26 feet apart, each tree has room to grow and bask in sunlight, essential for a fruitful harvest. As the dry season approaches, cashew trees come alive with delicate blossoms in soft hues of pale yellow or pinkish white. These fragrant flowers not only enchant the senses, but also play a vital role in attracting pollinators. In just 3 to 4 years, the first fruits appear, signaling the beginning of a promising harvest. Harvesting cashews is an art that requires patience and precision. Farmers wait for the outer shell to turn brown or red, a sign the nut is ripe. Using poles or their hands, they carefully collect the fruits, ensuring only the best make the cut. To preserve quality, the nuts are sun-dried for 2 to 3 days. This cost-effective method reduces moisture and locks in their distinct flavor, preparing them for the next stage of their journey. At the factory, the cashews undergo a rigorous cleaning process. Advanced washing systems remove dirt and impurities, leaving the nuts spotless. Next comes roasting, where high temperatures unlock their natural flavors and give them that irresistible crunch. The final steps are seasoning and packaging. Each cashew is coated in spices or roasted to perfection, creating flavors that delight taste buds worldwide. For retail, vacuum-sealed bags ensure freshness, while bulk orders are packed into large containers for transport. From creamy cashew milk to delicious cookies, these nuts are a testament to the hard work of farmers and the brilliance of modern technology.